Here is how to promote yourself on Fansly. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we will discuss how you can promote yourself on the Fansly platform. So let's start. First of all, go to fansly.com and log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you'll come to the home screen like this. Now talking about promoting yourself on the platform, you can use various methods to increase your reach among the fans. Some of the methods includes optimizing your profile. For that, you can simply tap on the profile photo on the top left. After that, go to profile. Now as you have entered your profile, you can optimize various things to make your profile look attractive. For example, you can use a nice profile picture. Then after, you can also use an attractive and informative cover picture. Furthermore, you can also write an attractive bio to give an idea about yourself. After you have optimized your profile, the next step is to produce high quality content. So make sure the content that you are producing is high quality and up to the standards of the industry. After that, you'll have to consistently post your contents on the platform. Your consistent and regular posting will help you to build an audience who will come back and follow your profile. You can use various hashtags to make your post appear on the search results. Furthermore, you can also promote yourself on the platform by interacting with your fans and building a genuine connection with them. So make sure you interact with the fans and keep up your consistency. These steps are very important while promoting yourself on the Fansly platform. So in this way, you can promote yourself on Fansly. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.